Is your phone getting too hot? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple ways to cool it down and stop it from overheating. Let's go. Open your phone settings, scroll down, tap on Google, click on All Services, scroll down. Here is personalized using shared data. Click on it. So guys, these three apps are on. All we need to do is to turn them off because these three apps are running constantly in the background and they're making your phone too hot to overheat. So guys, after that, go back one step. Look at it here. Tap on Usage and Diagnostics. This also runs in the background 24/7 of the day, 24 hours, and is one of the reasons your phone always overheats. So click on it to turn it off. And by doing this, henceforth, your phone will stop overheating. Your phone will stop being hot. That is it. Now you know how to fix a hot phone the easy way. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.